Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix your virus and threat protection is managed by your organization. So guys, to resolve this problem, just follow some easy steps. Firstly, click on start, type REGEDIT, right click on registry editor, run as administrator. It will ask permission, so click on yes. Now in here expand HK local machine, then expand software. Now in here expand Microsoft. Now in here expand policies, then expand Microsoft. Now double click on Windows Defender. Now right click on disable anti-spyware and click on delete. Deleting certain registry values could cause system instability. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this value? So before delete guys, you need to backup your registry editor. So click on export, and in case you have some error, so you can import your registry editor by clicking here. So if you are sure, so right click on it and click on delete and click on yes. Now close it and restart your PC. So hopefully guys, by using this simple and easy steps, we can resolve and we can fix your virus, and threat protection is managed by your organization in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.